This 2024 Alliance RV Delta 292RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Alliance RV is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, microwave, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, oven, skylight, refrigerator, LP detector, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Alliance RV Delta 292RL is 7,486 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.